HHN cultists, and guess what? It is Halloween Horror Nights 31 now, everybody. It is a day that we've all been waiting for, and I'm super excited to experience this event finally at its fullest with all the pumpkins and all the Halloweeny, celebrating the 31st, as in October 31st. But now I'm going to be deciding which Stay and Scream area I want to start in so we can get ahead before the rest of the crowd. I may or may not be wrong, but I think this is the line for the Stay and Scream for the weekend and Monsters Legends Collide at the Simpsons areas. Guys, we're almost heading in. Look at that. Awesome. Currently in the line for Blumhouse, featuring Black Clone and Freaky. So what's crazy is that this house is actually where they used to host all the other houses in years past in Halloween Horror Nights. So they haven't done that in years. I think since 2010, 2011. So it's kind of cool that we get to go get one of the old locations back, or one of the houses. Now we are in Sweet Revenge. All the kids turn into serial killers. So now we're in the line for Descendants of Destruction, the notorious long line that's behind MIB. Here's Kyle from Trick or Treaters podcast behind me, being obnoxious as he always is, because you know. And Yusef is in the back, minding his own business. So yeah, we're now waiting for that. I have already done Weekend, Chupacabra, Blumhouse of Horrors, Bub's not yet, and then Descendants of Destruction now with them, so we'll see what happens. excuse the very tired face and really awesome car in the background, anime Naruto car and whatnot. So we are finally done with the HHN 31. It was fantastic. I did 6 out of 10 houses, so not bad for opening night. I will be coming back on Sunday. But for those of you guys that don't know me, I'm HHN Cultist. Please subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Twitter under HHN Cultist, where you will get updates of when I upload new videos or just me updating whatever on Twitter in regards to HHN. Spooky season is upon us, so let's get our spook on. But for now, I'm gonna sign out. Have a great night, guys, and stay spooky.